Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this week's Wi-Fi Wednesday. My name is Kevin Z, founder and CEO of My Wi-Fi Networks, and we meet here on Facebook Live each and every week to talk about the latest and greatest in Wi-Fi marketing. And as you know, we've been working on some really cool things. I kind of teased it in the Facebook group. We have a bunch of new OpenWRT firmware available. So I'm just going to get right to it here and show you what is new. So when you log in to your account, and you add a device. Now, this is particularly useful for those who live in areas that didn't have devices available before. For example, TP-Link, that was always the concern of, let's say, the C7 V2. It's one of the most popular devices in the world. It was actually rated the best device in the world a few years ago. Wasn't available for some people because we didn't have the firmware ready yet. Well, now, I'll show you over here. If you go to a specific location, and you click on OpenWRT over here, we have a bunch of new, not only TP-Link, but a ton of new manufacturers, particularly if you're located in Southeast Asia, in Africa, in Europe. You'll find a lot of these are available now. And what you always want to do is double check, make sure that the model number and the version number match exactly. So using the example I just mentioned, the C7, which is available on Amazon. A lot of you guys who were ordering this were disappointed previously that we didn't have the versions available. We now do have the C7 V2. In some cases, that is available for some. Now, when you click on this, you're going to see a few different models. You'll notice that there's version 15 and 18. Performance and everything is exactly the same. However, the 18 is a little bit bigger than the 15, so depending on your firmware, if you try one, it doesn't work, you can try the upgraded one, or try the 18 first. If that doesn't work, you can try the 15. But also note your region. If you're in the EU, use this one. If you're in the US, use this one. If you're global, don't use a country, or if you don't have a country code inside, or even Canada uses this. If you're unsure, you can always chat with our support team. But now we have a ton of new firmware available. So you can go to your local store, you can hop on Amazon. I'll show you the C7 specifically over here, hopping over. Like I said, a lot of you guys are located in different areas. That is odd. I've never had that from Amazon. I guess it's Black Friday season. Oh, sorry, guys. And you'll see here, like, if you're looking, and this is for Amazon Global mostly, if you're in the US and Canada, you can order our devices. They get to you within 5 days. Anywhere in the world, we should send you devices. But if you want to get your own, you can look at TP-Link, C7, or always reference the models we have here. Now we have a ton of new ones available that match all this firmware. Okay, I have one here in the office. I'm happy to show you guys, maybe on a screen share after. But it's awesome. You can use these devices. Actually, let me do that right now. Show you what I'm holding in my hand here. So as you can see, this is the TP-Link C7. Really powerful device, holds up to 60 simultaneous users or so. So it's really, really powerful. And you can get this to your local store. You just plug this right in over here. You flash the firmware. We have all the instructions. Super easy to do. And you can do it yourself anywhere in the world. So that's awesome. So make sure you check out our new OpenWRT firmware. In addition, we are launching an upgraded MailChimp integration where we're adding the ability to tag users with MailChimp. We are launching a Grade.us, Grade Us as it's called, integration directly. This replaces Reputation Loop. This will be live very shortly. And if you use Reputation Loop or if you moved over to Grade Us, I'll be doing a special private training on how to use that. I might even make it public to everyone. But it's a great system to generate reviews. It's more for people that already use Grade Us and want to drive a bunch of new traffic into that funnel. So if you use Grade Us and you want to get a bunch more reviews for your client site, plug it in, enable the integration, and you'll be like filling that funnel real fast for your reviews. And also those that use ManyChat, please comment on this video if you do use ManyChat. We are launching a native integration very soon that allow you to add people to sequences automatically, really ninja. And this is great for chatbots or follow-up marketing for restaurants, hotels, etc. We also have a bunch of new sales training. I know I've been promising this for a while, but we're refining it, constantly refining it. And we're going to come out with a brand new sales training, probably all-encompassing boot camp for those who really want to transform their business to, like, let's say you have no clients or you have a few clients and you want to turn it into 10, 20, 30 clients. I'll be working with some special guests shortly that will really help you take that. And I think a lot of you guys might even know these special guests are going to be people in the group. We're going to be talking to a lot of the best performing partners, picking their brains and sharing it with you guys. So super excited for all of that. Please comment below on this video as well if you're interested in that. And I'm going to keep things real short and sweet this week because I got a lot of stuff to get to. But if you have any questions, you can always chat with support. The link is wifi supporttest.com, or just look right in the dashboard at this little chat bubble anytime. We are always available here to help you. Not only just chatting with us, but also note that we always have our help section over here. So any questions you have, you can search over here. Everything is always available. All right, thanks guys. Take care. Thanks for joining, and talk to you soon.